Hi, I'm Beata from Creative at Home, and today we will talk about Animaker. Animaker is an online animation and video making software which gives user access to pre-built characters and templates to create animated videos. Click on Sign Up and create your account. Once you have logged in, you can personalize your account by choosing your goal in using Animaker. On your dashboard, click on Create and then on Create a Video. For your creation, you can use a blank canvas or choose a themed template. Now let's take a look at the interface. This is the box page where the video is created. On the right, you will find scenes where slides can be added. This is the timeline of your video, where you will find the camera timeline to adjust the frame, the option to add a voiceover or add comments, the menu where different settings appear, like the Undo Redo one, title, preview, share and the Publish Download one. On the left you will find the library, where all the content to add to the slides is found. By clicking the square box on the top, the background menu is displayed to change the background colors. Now you can start adding things to your box page. We suggest you to make your unique video by using customized characters that move, show emotions, and talk. Remember that your video will be saved automatically, so we can edit further later. You can find your recent projects on My Project on your main page. When you feel confident that your video is enough, you can download or publish it on different social media platforms. And that's it. This was a short tutorial on how to use Animaker. Thank you for watching our video. If you want to see more, go to the creativitycluster.eu or our YouTube channel. Thank you, bye!